Hi everyone, I'm Mindy, Product Manager of Lixel CyberColor.
We've received a lot of attention, feedback, and some great questions since the LCC release. So today, let's go through some of them together.
Most of 3D-GS adopt a purely visual sensor for data acquisition and calculation. The capturing from different angles and heights usually takes lots of time for only a single point. LCC is the world's first 3D-GS solution based on SLAM technology. Combining LiDAR and a visual sensor together, and handheld mobile scanner can be used for rapid scanning to automatically create high-quality, interactive, and measurable spatial data, suitable for real-world industrial application. Mobile apps are suitable for simple object scanning and personal projects, while LCC efficiently handles larger scale and complex environments, such as entire buildings and urban areas, with greater accuracy, precision, and professional level quality suited for industrial scenarios. It captures large area data more efficiently and with greater precision than mobile phones, especially in challenging lighting conditions or with complex geometries. Not at all. LCC is an all-in-one automated solution. From scanning to photorealistic model generation, it only takes a few simple steps. It's quite easy to get a rough one, but if you want to get a higher quality result, there must be some techniques. And you can find instructions on XGRIDS website and our YouTube channel. LCC supports XGRIDS proprietary Lixel scanners, such as K1 and L2 Pro, which features built-in LiDAR, IMU, and cameras, providing an easy-to-start scanning solution without complex equipment or complicated setups. K1 is good enough for most of the indoor and medium-sized cases, while L2 Pro is more robust and reliable in some very large-scale cases and complicated structure. LCC outputs both the conventional 3D-GS format, PLY, and LCC format. PLY is widely compatible with most of the 3D-GS viewers and editors, while LCC format offers smaller file sizes, higher rendering efficiency, and precise data. We also generate 3D-GS aligned mesh models that supports collision and lighting simulation. Yes! On the XGRIDS developer platform, we provide full SDK for Unreal Engine, Unity, and WebGL, along with documentation, tutorials, and sample datasets to help developers quickly build 3D-GS-based visual projects. LCC is widely applicable to industries such as architecture, engineering and construction, film and TV production, XR, VR, and AR, cultural heritage preservation, industrial digital twins, and so on. In the coming weeks, we'll be sharing more real-world LCC use cases from around the globe. You can leave your contact information on XGRIDS official website or reach out to any of our authorized dealers across the world to schedule a demo or trial. Thank you for your time. I'm Mindy from XGRIDS, and I can't wait to see the amazing work you do with LCC.